Good day, sir. My name is John Victor Soriano, B is Criminology 3, Block 4. Today, I will recite on question document examination subject. Document: any material which contain marks, sign or symbol, either visible, partially visible, or invisible, which convey a meaning or message to someone. 2. Question document: any documents about which some issue has been raised or is under security is referred to as question document. Dispute document: the term dispute suggests that there is an argument or controversy over the document. In ordinary practice, among examiners, dispute and question document are employed interchangeably. The ability a document which is under special security. Holographic document: any document which is completely written and signed by one person is known as holographic document. Examination is the act of making close and critical study of any material and which question document. It is also the process necessary that discover the fact about them. Comparison is the act of setting two or more items side by side to weight the identifying qualities. Collation means critical comparison or side by side. Microscopic examination: any examination or study which is made with microscope. In order to discover, we need physical details. Oblique or sidelight examination: any examination with the illumination so controlled that it grazes or strikes the surface or the document from one side at a very low angle is referred to as an oblique or sidelight examination. Transmitted or transferred light examination: it is an examination of this kind. The document is viewed with the source of illumination behind it and the light passing through the paper. Ultraviolet light: violet radiation is invisible and occurs in wavelength just below the visible violet end of the spectrum. Infrared examination: infrared examination, it is the document employs in visible radiation beyond the red portion of the visible spectrum. Rainbow, which is usually recorded on especially sensitive photographic emulsion. Signature is one name written by ourselves or document it as a sign of acknowledgement. Evidential signature: signature signed at a particular time and place and under particular condition while the signer was at particular age using particular implements and with a particular reason and purpose for his name. Model signature. A genuine signature which has been used to prepare an imitated or trace forgery is known as model. Simulated signature. A freehand drawing in imitation of model signature. Handwriting is the visible effect of the bodily movement which is almost unconscious expression of certain ideas with the script form.
Copybook form.
Copybook form, the design of letter which are fundamentals to a writing system. This terminology is derived from the old method of teaching handwriting. Form a copybook which contain engraved script printed on each page for the student to imitate. Standard. We mean those origins are known and can proven and which can be legally used as a sample to compare with other matters in question. Sample. A selected representative portion of the whole is known as a sample. The term follows closely statistically usage. Exemplars. Specimen of the writing of a suspect. Forgery. It is the making of alerting of a written instrument which intend to defraud another person. Simple forgery. It is the fraudulent writing the signature of another in the natural or disguised writing of the forger without model. Trace forgery. It is executed by actually following outline of a genuine signature with a writing instrument such as a signature. Freehand imitation. A fraudulent signature which has acquired truly by a simulation rather than by tracing the outline of genuine simulated forgery.
Freehand. Freehand imitation.
Habit. A writing habit is any repeated elements or details which may serve as individualized writing. Mm. Characteristic. Any property or marks which distinguish and in document examination commonly referred to identify details. Cursive writing. Writing in which the letter are the model part joined together is cursive.
Natural writing.
Natural writing. Any specimen's writing executed normally without any attempt to control or to identify habits, and its usually quality of execution. Disguised writing. A writing may be deliberated or alter his actual writing habits in hope finding a identity. Movement. It embraces all the factors which are related to the motion of the writing specimen: skill, speed, rhythm, and the like. Speed. Speed of writing. Not everyone writers at the same rate, so that consideration of the speed of writing can be significantly identifying elements. Writing speed cannot be measured precisely from the finished handwriting, but can be interpreted in borrowed terms in low, moderate, or rapid. Pen leaf. An interruption in a stroke by removing the writing instrument from the paper. Pen stop. As distinguished from pen leaf is a temporary sensation of the movement of the pen to change direction of movement or stroke. Pen emphasis. The above intermittently holding the pen against paper surface with intense pressure. Pen pressure. The average force with which the pen contacts the paper in deals with the in the usual or average force involved it's the writing rather than the periodic increases. Patching. Re- Retouring on going back over a defective portion of writing stroke. Retouching. Retouching. It is the writing which patching are used synonymously. Rhythm is the element of the writing movement which is marked by regular or periodic recurrence. Shading. It is the element of the ink stroke due to added pressure on a flexible pen or the use of a stub pen. Slant. It is the angle of alienation of the axis of relative to baseline. Tremor. A writing weakness portrayed by irregular annually strokes. Baseline. Baseline is the ruler or imaginary line upon which to writing recess. Quality. It is a distinct peculiar character and it is used to describing handwriting and an identifying factor which to writing innovation itself. Line quality. The visible record in the writing stroke of the basic movement and manner of holding writing instrument. It is derived from the freedom of movement, shading, and pen position. Alignment defect include characters which cite inappropriately in the following respect: twisted letter, horizontal in alignment, and a character of its feet. Character in a connection with typewriting identification. The term is used to include letter symbols, numerals, or points of punctuation. Clog. We use the typefaces become filled with lint, dirt, and ink, particularly in enclosed letters such as O, O, E, P, and G. Defects. Its individualization and identification. Horizontal malignment. An alignment defect in which the character prints to the right text of its proper position. That's all, sir. Thank you.